Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reject a job offer politely. First, always respond promptly, ideally within 1 or 2 business days. This shows respect for the hiring team's time and allows them to move forward with other candidates. Next, express sincere gratitude for the offer and the opportunity to interview. Remember, maintaining a positive and professional tone is crucial, as you never know when your paths might cross again in the future. Let's ensure when crafting your rejection letter, start by reiterating your thanks for the offer and the valuable time spent discussing the position. Then, clearly and concisely state that you are declining the offer. While not strictly necessary, you might briefly mention a professional reason, such as accepting another opportunity that better aligns with your career goals. Conclude by wishing them success in finding the right candidate for the role. Keep it concise, professional, and positive. Call of Duty Black Ops offers several exciting ways to play. You can immerse yourself in the thrilling, cinematic single-player campaign, experiencing a rich story. For competitive action, jump into the fast-paced multiplayer modes, battling other players across diverse maps. If you prefer cooperative play, team up with friends to survive endless waves of the undead in the fan-favorite Zombies mode. You can also practice your skills in private matches or against AI bots. Even after declining an offer, it's vital to maintain a positive and professional relationship with the hiring manager and the company. The professional world is often smaller than you think, and you might encounter these individuals again. Consider connecting on professional networking sites, if appropriate, to keep the door open for future opportunities. Always respond promptly to any follow-up questions they may have. A polite rejection leaves a positive impression and can benefit your career in the long run.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.